Hey guys, welcome back to another video. The Huawei P40 and Samsung Galaxy S20 series are about to get some competition. We have seen a few designs and some leaked specs for the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, the Chinese manufacturer's next generation of flagship phones, but we haven't heard any official word on the handset from OnePlus. OnePlus has officially announced that it will globally unveil its OnePlus 8 series on April 14. In the tweet, it is also mentioned that the said event will begin at 4:30 p.m. IST. It is expected that this upcoming series will include OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and an affordable variant OnePlus 8 Lite. The OnePlus 8 Pro will feature a 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. A step up to the 90Hz display on 7 Pro, 7T and 7T Pro phones that the company released last year. And powering the phones will be Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. The configurations available with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone also has a 4510 mAh battery. According to the leak, the Pro will also have 5G support, quad rear camera setup including two with 48 megapixel sensors, likely the main and ultra-wide cameras, along with 8 megapixel shooter and 5 megapixel shooter, and a 16 megapixel camera on the front for selfies. The smartphone will also support 30W wired and wireless fast charging, 3W reverse wireless charging to wirelessly power up other devices, and official IP68 rated water resistance. The OnePlus 8 Lite, which is a cheaper variant, will have a 6.55-inch Full HD display with a 90Hz refresh rate and triple rear cameras including 48 megapixels, 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. A 16 megapixel camera remains on the front, but the phone will use slower RAM, have a smaller 4300 mAh battery. There is no IP rated water resistance or wireless charging on the regular OnePlus 8, but it will run on the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and support 5G. So that's it for today, and subscribe to my channel for such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.